total dental freedom, MSOI. Okay. So I did 7 years of working 80% of dentistry with hands, 20% on the business side, right? So I would recommend that you do it 80-20, right? What you're doing right now is investing in yourself to be able to be in that 6% of dentists that can someday retire with financial independence. But financial independence in and of itself, folks, is not the goal. Here's what happened to me. I bought a bunch of practices and real estate early on in dentistry. I did well. I think I actually lucked into it at first because I was pretty dumb, right? I followed some mentors, yes, but I did really well. And I actually retired for a full year from dentistry in 2007. At the age of 34, I had reached total dental freedom. Total dental freedom is a mixture of clinical freedom, lifestyle freedom, and financial freedom, okay? I got to do what I wanted when I wanted. Had a bunch of babies with my lovely wife of 16 years and all that. That was fun. And got to do, mountain biking, fly fishing, a lot of travel, right? But then there was something inside me. It was like, I realized the point of life is not just to have a bunch of money that comes in every month. It's to find what you love to do as well. Because if you just have a bunch of money, you are a trust baby, basically. Hey, Jordan, how well do trust babies do in life?
I don't think they do too well.
They don't do too well. No. So a bunch of money is not your goal, folks. Your goal is to find out what you're passionate about in dentistry, monetize that, right? I know what I'm supposed to be doing. I want to give you some tidbits so you can find out what you're passionate about so you can reach total dental freedom, which is not just financial freedom, but also lifestyle freedom and clinical freedom, right? Doing what you feel is